less thump, less flicker. And those are the two things that you're going to really notice. It's not going to be banging out there, when this thing starts up, and it will reduce the flicker. And sometimes you would have, when your air conditioner cuts in, things like your TV will reset itself.
Right.
We see this on RVs all the time, and they're complaining about this. And I'm going, because it doesn't have the capability of doing that. But you also have the ability, because now I'm working on ways to use portable generators for home backup power.
Oh, that's amazing.
Because this is a huge thing, and I have a long and storied background, love-hate relationship with generators. So I'm the guy to help you with this. But now it does appear that Soft Start products and can help you not just for RVs, but for home units. Because again, many of the states are doing rolling blackouts.
Oh, yeah.
Many of them, they just go down. My buddy Carl was just down in West Virginia, and he's down way on the end of the power line. When it goes down for days.
Right.
So we set him up for a generator and everything, and I said, so now we should probably install a Soft Start for him. But yeah, I'm doing experiments with like a 7 kilowatt class generator.
Gotcha.
To be able to run your whole house. And this is something that's portable, and the key is affordable.
Right.
That's what we're trying to come up with, affordable methodologies, and not just for running off of gasoline, but also perhaps propane or natural gas, whatever you've got. But portable systems, if you've got $20,000, you can just go pay somebody to go put a whole house generator in. But many people don't have extra funding around. Plus, you only maybe need this once a year. Who knows? But more experiments to come. But we'll write about that and do videos in the future. So it could reduce the size of the generator. It looks by 30 or 40%. So rather than a 10 to 12,000 watt generator, it looks like you could run your house on a 7,000 watt generator. And I was just doing this at my kid's house after we installed this.
Right.
Now I'm using a Honda EU7000, which is the darn most expensive generator you can get. But we're looking at getting some demo equipment from some of the other manufacturers that are a little bit more affordable.
Sure.
And I'm all good for using what other people can get and afford. So we're looking at things that you can get from Home Depot or Harbor Freight or any of these other guys, or you can buy a generator on darn Amazon and they'll deliver it.
Yeah.
That's the craziest thing.